Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger switch account. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger switch account, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, you will search about Messenger app. When you find this page of app info, you will click on full stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data, it may cause a lot of problems or issues on your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.